Hello, welcome to Bell CB. We're looking at Cobra 29LTD. This is a repair report for Allen in Florida. We fixed up the radio, repaired some of the old modifications in it. Couldn't fix the backlight, can't get that part from Cobra. We put variable power on the radio here, and I set a mark on there for you so that you can have it set up for your amplifier, at least a starting point. Alright, so up here on the watt meter, you're looking at 10 watts all the way across. Got back up 10, 4 right here, 6 right there. I'll turn the power up on the radio at 4 watts. If I turn the power, so watch how I turn the power down. It's got a nice slow transition right down to nothing. You're not going to want to go below here though. I think your amp's going to take right about there, and I put a mark on there for you. Alright, peak power on this thing, 50 watt slug, 30, and there's 40. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Now, if I open that audio limiter a little bit, that sucker will be swinging to 45, 50. But we got to keep it tight because you're going to turn it down here to 2. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I open it any more than that, it'll get too over my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. That's still plenty of swing right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check. Okay. Hi, Alan. I was just going to unpack this radio and check it out. See what's going on. We will do that together. On the done putting out 4 watts. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Swinging 40. I don't know what's going on over at home, Alan. Let me move the camera. Hold on. Just want me to reach 10 watts all the way across. I'm getting 4 now. All the way down another. And the peak reading 50 watts slug right here. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break, break, break. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plenty of audio. Audio, check, check. I don't know what they mean. So let's look at something that may be jarring around while it's in shipping. I don't know. It did not include the microphone. I wish it would have. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing audio check, 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 check. That's some audio right there. Come on. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio. Let's see if I can turn it down about that. Turn it down to about 2 watts, like driving that in. Put a little mark on the radio was a good starting spot for that. There it is. A little mark on the radio. Rub off when you want to clean it up. Audio check, 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 check. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. Got the mic gain down. It can be as loud as you want it. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break, break, break. Audio check, check. Audio. Break one down for radio check. Come on.
Get your money order, taxi call. So much go to the bank. Get your money order.
How much should I make it out for?
The hell, you're blank. Cash you next week.
You can't make out a money order and leave it blank.
You leave it blank. You get it next week. Come on.
I tell you what. Check, 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 check. Everything's rock steady. Audio. 1, 2. Ready to power down. Ready to bear up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio. Check, check. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Why didn't it work for you and your CB tech guy? Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Let's further take it apart. See if we can discover any wires or anything that might have moved in shipping. One way or the other. So I'm still transmitting. I got the key held down. Seeing if I can wiggle it around and it'll fit. So you had no power out. Put the key held down again. Just put the audio check 1 2 3 4. Audio check. Audio. I don't know what it could be yet. Seems to be working fine. Well, we brought out the shaker. Put a little vibration to it for a little while. See if we can make it stop talking. Audio check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. Audio 1 2 3 4. Audio check. Audio 1 2. Audio check. Check. Audio. Check. Audio 1 2 3 4.